In this video, we're going to talk about rotary files in the Haas next generation control. Whether you want to enable a new rotary, disable an old one, or clear existing configuration, all it takes is a few button pushes. Let's enable a new rotary. With the rotary options purchased, the rotary installed in the machine, and the cables connected correctly to the side of the control, press Setting and tab over to the rotaries. Enter the correct rotary model and press F1. If you're not sure of the model, it can be found on the ID plate on the rotary unit. In this case, we want to enable a TRT 100. Scroll down till you find the TRT 100 to select the correct rotary file and press Enter. Verify that your rotary is mounted as it's shown on screen. And if it is correct, press Enter again. When finished, press E-stop and then press F3. Then cycle the power to initialize the rotary selection. To disable the rotary, navigate to Settings. Arrow over to the Rotary tab and scroll down until the rotary unit is selected. With the E-stop pressed and the current axis highlighted, press Enter and the axis will disappear. Do the same for all the other axes as well. Finally, here's how to clear the current rotary configuration. You would do this if you are planning to install a different rotary unit in the machine. Navigate to the Settings, tab over to Rotary, scroll down to the new rotary selection and press Origin. Press Enter to confirm that you want to clear the current rotary configuration, and after the files are uploaded, cycle the power. And thanks for watching.